All right, class, so I have the minimum of 10 items in my Bitmoji locker. So now I need to do a couple steps to get it saved and up into my Google Drive so that A, I can put it in the PowerPoint to show you as an example, and B, so it's ready to roll for when on the next day we decide to put this into an assignment submission. So I am not asking you to sign in, create an account, unless you really want to create an account because you want to create Bitmoji stuff later. There are a couple steps, so just please follow along. So I'm going to click Export Image. Now notice my Bitmoji is not in yet. It didn't want me to add it, so I'll add it next in a later step. So I'm going to click first Export Image as soon as I have everything in. Again, I'm not asking you to sign in, create an account. I'm going to download this. Okay. Up here in the right-hand corner with the 3 dots, I'm going to click Save As. All right, I'm going to go into Documents, Virtual Academy, Back to School, Miss Hill, Locker. So it is saving. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to X out of this file. I am going to go to my Google Drive and I am going to click New and File Upload. Okay. I am going to go to my Documents, Virtual Academy, Back to School, Miss Hill's Locker, and it is uploading. So what I want you to do next is click New again, a Google Slides. Up here, I want you to do put your name. And then I want you to do Bitmoji Locker. So then I'm going to insert it, image. I can either upload from the computer if I want to skip the step of uploading it to Drive, but I'm going to go to my Drive. And voila! Here we go. Here we go, go, go. All right, now it is in Google Slide. So I already have the Bitmoji extension on my Google Chrome. If your school computer should allow you to do this, if this is something that your parents do not want you to do, that is fine because you can still tell us the story of what all is in your Bitmoji locker. I have the extension up here, so I'm going to click on it, and then I want this one, and I drag it, and then make it look like she's standing and not levitating. I'm going to make her a little bit bigger, and boom, there we go. You have uploaded your Bitmoji locker into Google Drive. You have it saved. It should be your name. So for example, I'm going to go and put my name, Miss Hill, Bitmoji locker. It is done, created, and then the next day I will show you how we are going to practice uploading assignments. Please call me if you have any questions.